The Munro Climate Change Leaders Fund returned 4.4% over the 2 months from inception to the end of December, 0.1% from equities and 4% from currency, while the MSCI All Countries World Index returned 4.9%, 2% from equities and 2.7% from currency over this same period. The fund started positively in early November as a Glasgow Climate Pact was reached at the COP26 summit. However, late in the quarter, the US Build Back Better bill, a $1.75 trillion social policy and climate change bill, was stalled. The other key event centred around the US Federal Reserve, with Jerome Powell being renominated for another term. Shortly afterwards, he pivoted more hawkish and flagged an early end to tapering and the potential for 3 rate hikes in 2022. Supply chains continued to face challenges, but there were early signals that the worst had passed. Clean transport stocks did particularly well in the quarter, with significant positive attribution coming from Tesla and onsemi, while NextEra Energy and Tomra did well. Detractors for the quarter included Vestas Wind Systems, Darling Ingredients and Sunrun. We continue to remain constructive equity markets as we enter 2022, with slower growth and lower interest rates allowing the structural growth characteristics of many of our investments to shine. Most companies, and particularly the biggest ones in the index, should continue to grow earnings in 2022, and earnings growth drives stock prices in the long run. Investment opportunities for climate change solutions will accelerate to reach net zero by 2050 and will be driven by the following subsectors: clean energy, clean transport, circular economy and energy efficiency. Each of these is driven by differing transitions, but with one common goal of decarbonising the planet. The trend of decarbonisation doesn't abate because the macro landscape evolves. The trends endure and create massive earnings tailwinds for those companies that position themselves to benefit. Our job in 2022, like it has been every other year, is to find these winners and manage them to the best financial outcome as the structural trends play out. Thank you.